One day, and we can only dream, but one day we'll be able to drop our iPhones and the battery just shoot off across the floor because they're getting easier to remove. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, yes, we're talking iPhone 17s, are set to feature easier battery removal. The batteries inside the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus use this new type of adhesive that can be loosened with low voltage electrical current from a 9-volt battery, USB-C charger, or another power source. While this change does not apply to the iPhone 16 Pro models, the Pro users get punished, it is now being rumoured for the iPhone 17 Pro models next year. The countdown is on. According to a blog post from a known leaker who has been a bit hit or miss with his track record when it comes to Apple rumours, the electrical battery removal process will be extended to all 4 iPhone 17 models launching next year. The leaker also shared a photo of the new adhesive in 4 different sizes, which may correspond with the 4 iPhone 17 models. In the meantime, the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max batteries still have stretch release adhesive pull tabs like many previous iPhone models, just to make things tricky. Whilst no other sources have corroborated this rumour yet, the electrical battery removal process expanding to all 4 iPhone 17 models at least sounds like a reasonable possibility. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series in September, and this leaker might be onto something because they're the person that revealed the Desert Titanium color name for the iPhone 16 Pro models 7 months before the device is launched. Apple have a leak. So what's your thoughts on all the iPhone 17 models not only getting 120Hz refresh rate, about time, but also having easier battery removal? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Give it a like and subscribe.